keep stopping it, turning it off by mistake. Showroom quality.
Look at all the battery terminals I forgot about.
Troop 60 would like to welcome everybody out to our 21st annual car show. This is the 60th year of the Lexington County Peach Festival, and they graciously let us host our car show every year for the past 21 years. We would like to let everybody know that we have a People's Choice Award that we're going to be giving away. If you see a car that you like, feel free to come up here to the table, and you can put the card number down on the paper and register and vote. If you've been a scout in the past, or if you are a we're going to do after a while. So thank you for coming out and supporting us.
$5,000 unit right there, that power breezer, holds 80 gallons of water. Pumps out 27 degrees cooler than the outdoor temperature.